Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to move Revolut to new phone. It's very easy to move your Revolut account to a new phone. First, install the Revolut app on your new device. Depending on your phone type, open the Google Play Store for Android or the App Store for iPhone and search for Revolut. Once you find it, tap install and wait for the installation to finish. After that, tap open to launch the app. When the app opens, you'll see the main screen. Since you already have an account, tap login instead of sign up. Enter the phone number you used when creating your Revolut account, then tap continue. You'll receive a 6-digit code via SMS. Enter this code to verify your account. For security reasons, Revolut may also ask for your passcode, a selfie, or an ID, especially if you're signing in from a new device. Once verification is complete, your Revolut account will be fully restored on your new phone, including your money, cards, and data. Nothing will be lost. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with friends for more useful mobile and tech tips.